So when we think about this as industry best practices, 3 steps: what to learn, how to apply it, and when do we actually need to engage that learning and actually apply it. So when we start thinking about our onboarding program, based on the goals that we have established, again, whether it's just increase initial average order value, decrease time to second purchase, reduction in time to first enrollment, whatever that goal is, then we're going to say, hey, what in there do we need to learn? Is it, do we need to learn some product knowledge so we strike an interest and then maybe somebody purchases that product? Do we talk about the benefits of enrolling people and maybe give some examples and talk through that? You guys are full aware of how to do that. Then it's how to apply it. And this is where it starts to get kind of interesting, because now we're saying, hey, look, for example, products. Let's say we're talking skincare. We have a product knowledge. Now, how to apply it. Now, tell us, give us feedback, how to apply it, maybe before and after photos. We want to get somebody engaged with that learning or that engagement as deep as possible. And then ultimately, of course, when do I engage this? So, if we're talking about reduction of time to second purchase, if we know that the average from first order to second order is 90 days, well, maybe at day 45, we start maybe triggering some sort of communication. Again, try to find an alternate area than email. Maybe there's a tremendous number of platforms out there, Rallyware being one of them, that can help with internal communications, team member to team member, or company to team member, inside of that platform. But when to engage? So at that 45-day mark, maybe now we are talking about new product, or we're talking about their other product is being consumed up. So we need to re-trigger that to reduce that time. So again, when to engage. So again, what to learn, how to apply it, and when to actually engage with that.